Helicopter landing tour to Everest Base Camp is a famous and trending tour activity in Nepal. This tour activity does not entertain the trekkers walking on the trekking trail but fulfill the wish of luxury travelers to get to the base camp at their ease. Regarding this chopper, this is taking people from Lobuche to Everest Base Camp. To my guess, trekkers trekking to Everest Base Camp from Lukla got hardly till Lobuche, till here, but they could not make to Everest Base Camp on walking. So in this case, you can spend your money and fly to Everest Base Camp and fly down to Lukla. These people taking helicopter to the base camp are not sick for sure, but they must be having trouble to trek to Everest Base Camp and decided to go there anyway. Who would you skip after getting to this point? You would not. Everest Base Camp is a day hike from Lobuche, but Lobuche is already at 5,000 meters. And hiking above 5,000 meters is a different scenario, and you want to enjoy it is hard and late and hate at the same time.
Let me introduce to this little friend of mine. The bird Himalayan sparrow, I would say. I don't know the exact scientific name. That's how we say Himalayan sparrow in Nepali. But basically, the trail we are watching down is the way to Everest Base Camp. And now the trail we are taking, this is way to Chola Pass. So the view you see on the way to Chola Pass is like this. And you can see a little bird up there as well. This is Lobuche and Cholatse. There's a lake behind there. We'll go by the lake, I'll try to swim it.
The glacial lake you can see here is Chola Lake, and the trail we are now in Chola Pass trail. From here, the trail to Zongla village is flat and easy but windy. This trail is by the side of the lake, and the lake is a glacial melting point of Cholatse Peak and Lobuche Peak. However, the lake is named Chola Lake.
Alright, good morning from Zongla. We're doing the pass today. Ralph and ES, they're having breakfast inside, and I'm going to have breakfast soon. So the mountain you see here, Amadabla, different fish, and the range. So we are in a different valley, and you can see sunrise and Lobuche, Cholatse and Lobuche. So if we are going to go from here and then cross this hill. It's a mountain. Yeah, we are going to cross the mountain. So we're doing Chola Pass 5420. Good morning. See you in the palm. Welcome. So if you see sun rising on the top of that hill, that's where we will go and cross over and get to the Gokyo side. So that's where we are staying, and that's a part of Lobuche Peak. That's where we came from, and we are going like this all the way to that point. And you can see yakpu there. That's what makes us warm in the dining.
But that's top. And then from there it's downhill.
Yeah, behind that, that's downhill.
Soll ich den nehmen? Der ist leicht, weißt du, und kein Platz. Gerne, komm.
Pack ihn hin.
Du kriegst ihn doch gar nicht mehr rein. Ja, damit.
Alright, this is Chola Pass from Everest Base Camp. We are at Everest Base Camp and now we are heading towards Gokyo. So to do Gokyo, we need to cross a pass. We need to cross the end of the mountain that you see around here. So for that we need to cross from here.
So let's give you few tips for Chola Pass. Start early in the morning, take packed lunch, use crampons, follow the regular route, do not neglect the crevasses or edge of the trail, take every step gently.
Is that the time? Nice.
And that's the top with the flags up there. Flags up there. With the flag,
That's the lunch spot. Here.
top.
Selfie.